Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. This week, I want to share with you a simple to implement tip to improve the security of your website. So let me share with you that most of the hackers, when they try to hack a WordPress website, they will use automated script to log in to your WordPress admin page. So it is very important for you to protect your login entry, this page for example. So I'm going to teach you how you can disable all other IP from logging into your website except your own IP. So if you do not want to use 2FA login like Google Authenticator or any other more complicated security strengthening feature for your WordPress website, then you can consider the tip that I'm going to share with you, that you just need to insert some of the codes snippet into your function file, and your website will only allow you using your own IP address to log in. So let me share with you how it works. This is the codes that you will need to put in your website theme file. So I will copy this. I will place these codes in the description below. So after you have the coding, you need to use FTP to your server. Okay. So FTP to your server, you can refer to your web hosting provider, or if you are using any other FTP client, FTP manager, you can access your WordPress file directory. So once you get into your file directory, you will see that there's a WP content. Go in WP content and go into the themes and double click on the theme that you are using. So ideally, if you have a child theme, then paste the codes into the child theme. So assuming that this is a child theme, I will just double click. For your information, I'll be doing a future video on how you can create a child theme. So if you do not have a child theme, just go into the folder that the theme that you are currently using, and you will find there's a function file. So you can open up this function file, then scroll down to the very end and paste in the coding here. Okay, so we are going to paste in the coding. So take note that this is your IP address that you need to put it in. So for example, my IP address is 127.0.0.1. So this is my IP address. So make sure that you change this to the IP address that you are using. Okay. So if anyone who has your password and has your username, but trying to log into your website from other IP address, they will see this. You are not allowed to log in. So let me just save the file. And now I'm going to my website again. So this is my website. So I will log in with my information, log in, and you can see that I'm able to log in. So if I'm using a different IP address, so let me show you what you will see, okay? So if let's say I'm using a different IP address, now I enter my username and password and click login, and you will see that you are not allowed to log in. So this is a very simple but effective code snippet that you can use for your website to improve the security of only you using your own IP address can log in to your WordPress website. So hopefully you find it useful. Any questions, feel free to post in the discussion area below. Thank you.